Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare SoFi Invest and M1. SoFi Invest and M1 Finance are popular investment platforms, but they cater to different needs. SoFi Invest is an investment platform that offers a wide range of features for both beginners and experienced investors. One standout feature of SoFi Invest is its automated investing option, which helps users to set up a diversified portfolio based on their goals and risk tolerance. However, the platform doesn't offer a wide range of cryptos that specialized platforms like Coinbase do. M1 Finance is a popular investment platform known for its unique approach to portfolio management, offering both flexibility and automation. It automatically rebalances your portfolio to keep it aligned with your set targets and provides tools for automated deposit to consistently fund your account. However, the platform doesn't offer tax loss harvesting or active trading features, which may limit its appeal to more experienced or active traders. In my opinion, M1 Finance is better for customization, while SoFi Invest is better for simplicity and variety. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.